Well, I've just come home from work and I'm watching, well, I don't even know which vessel it is because I've only just parked the car in the centre of White Bay and I've come across this. So I'm going to have a look once I get back inside and see which vessel this is. Anyway, I thought I'll film it. I'll zoom in it. It's a beautiful night. Let's get a bit closer. There we go. That's what speed it's going at. I'll hold the camera still. Move it across a bit. So there. There we go. Jumping about a little bit because I hadn't really planned to be here, but it's just a surprise. I just parked the car and I've seen this, so I thought, well, get the camera out. Such a beautiful evening. A couple of people chatting on the pier there. I'm sitting at White Bay. Some ducks and things. The sea's really not making any noise at all. Lovely. Well, it's one of ours, that's for sure. Caledonian MacBrayne. I'll find out once I look it up in Marine AIS when I get back in. I'll come back out a bit. I don't have to move the camera around so much. Easily see the mainland. Lovely clear evening, blue sky, no wind, just calm, beautiful. Isn't that nice? You can hear I think it's the ring-necked doves cooing away in the background. That's lovely, isn't it? Well, whichever ferry it is, it's keeping up a good speed. I thought a wee bit more from a distance. I'll zoom back in for a second. So what I'll do just now, I'll show you how far away I am. That's how far away I am. Good eyesight. I'll just move position here. What a camera. Just something, isn't it? I'll zoom back in. That's in the centre. There. I can go closer actually. It's just hard to hold the camera still. Okay, I think that'll do. Right. Back we come. Back inside. See what I can find out. Cheers.